Hey Grammar 4, it's Mrs. Bunker here. So today we're going to be doing a really great lesson and you're going to need a couple materials to do this lesson. So if you don't have them collected already, please go ahead and stop what you're doing and let's scroll down and go ahead and collect the activity masters that you need, the scissors, glue, and tape. So let's go back up to the top. Also, you guys should have done your facts practice by now and your mental math warm-up, including that problem solving. If you haven't done that already, please go ahead and stop and get that finished and then come back to the video. So today we're going to be building on what we talked about 2 days ago with our geometric solids lesson. So today we're going to talk about plane figures. We know that plane figures such as the ones below, square, triangle, circle, do not take up any space. Because they're confined to a plane, they're called plane figures. We also know that, again, we talked about this a couple lessons ago, shapes that take up space are called geometric solids. Now, these are going to be the shapes you see around your house. They're going to be your cubes. They're going to be your three-dimensional rectangles. Even something as simple as a cereal box or a can of soup. Really, we see geometric solids all around us. So today we are going to be creating our own geometric solid. But before you do that, I want you to think about a box of cereal. You could even think about your favorite type of cereal. I have several. I love cereal. So maybe you could tell somebody right now, what is your favorite type of cereal? If we were in class, I would be asking you this, but we're not right now and we're doing this. So go tell somebody what your favorite type of cereal is and then come back. And you're probably back now. So I want you to think about this. A closed cereal box has how many panels? And if you think about a panel, it's like a side of a closed cereal box. So if you think about a cereal box, how many panels does it have? What words could we use to refer to these panels? Well, I would think these almost as like faces. We know that faces meet at vertex or vertices. So if I look at this would be a view, or this right here, a view from the cereal box if we were to cut out all the seams. So, and I never answered number 1, I'm so sorry. A closed cereal box has probably about 6 panels. If you think about the top rectangles, the big part of the cereal box, the middle rectangles, and then the side rectangles. So those are all gonna be 6 panels. What words could we use to refer to these panels? We said faces. Without a mirror, what is the largest number of panels that can be seen at one time? I would think that would be 3 because we can't see the opposite side of our geometric solid. Number 4, it says 2 panels fold at a meet at a fold or a seam in the cardboard. Each fold is an edge. A closed cereal box has how many edges? If we count up the different edges, we know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different edges. Number 5, it says 3 edges meet at a corner. A closed cereal box has how many vertices? Well, if you can visualize a closed cereal box, and if you can think about the 3 corners forming or meeting at one vertex or a vertice, we can count the top rectangular portion as 4 corners. The bottom part of the rectangle or the cardboard box would have 4 as well. So if you add up those 2 top and bottom corners, you would have 8 total vertices. Again, if you open up the cereal box below, you can flatten it out and you can see that it's made up of several different shapes that are just regular good old rectangles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles, but when you fold them all together and you put it back up on its side and you tape all the pieces together, we then have one 3-dimensional geometric solid. We're going to be using a map like this to construct the models of our cube, our pyramid, and a cone. So I want you to go ahead and do this activity now. You may need some help from an adult with you or an older brother and older sister. And what I would love for you to do is to keep this model for when we meet on our Zoom class on Thursday so that we can see all of our different geometric solids. So I hope you're doing well. I miss you guys tons and looking forward to seeing you guys on Thursday. Also, when you're done with this, you've got a mixed practice to do. All right, come prepared on Thursday to talk.